Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you a very simple step-by-step process to verify your work email on LinkedIn and earn the professional verification badge. First, you have to go to your LinkedIn profile, like here, on desktop or mobile. You have to click resource. Before that, you must know the verification badge will be here, or you could have verify now from here as well, but it's not here in my case, but you will see that option in your profile. So let's continue the video. After you click resource, go to about this page and a new window will appear, and here you will see verify now or verify your workplace. All you have to do is enter your company email address and it must match your work domain. Then click send code and you will receive a verification code in your inbox. Open your work email, copy the code, paste it into the LinkedIn within 15 minutes and hit confirm. Once done, LinkedIn will add a verification badge next to your name. But if you want to remove a verification, what to do? All you have to do is click in your profile, go to settings and privacy, and then account preference, and here is your verification. Click on that, and here you can toggle it off or on. Just know that once removed, it cannot be restored, and that's how easy it is. The badges shows recruiters and peers that you are authentic. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. See you in my next video.